Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is another video from Cuttle. I will leave the address at the bottom of the video. And probably once a week, or at least once a week, or a couple times a month for sure, they send me an email with a new project. And here's a new project. I could personally draw this, but I couldn't draw it this fast and have it look. So it gives you the sizing. You can change the size from, this one's 15 by 8 by a 1/4 inch border. You could change the text for mom, and all kinds of stuff. You could change if you want to go from Brianna, you could just type it out. Let me just put your kids. And look at that. That's all you have to do. And you can change the font from that font to this font. They give you selections and you can actually see what it looks like as you're doing it. I like this one right here. So I'm going to download it. It's going to download as an SVG. I'm going to call it Mom3 because I've already been playing around with it. And when it does that, it puts mine in my document folder. Now I'm going to open up Corel. I'm going to right click. And I'm going to put import, and there it is, Mom3 right there. Do not stretch it. Just click on your mouse. So now it is 15. Now this one is just 2 pieces because I picked engraved. Let's unload import Mom1, or just Mom, and it shows you 3 pieces. So you've got the backer board. So let's just do this one. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup it. So there's your backer. Got to ungroup it again. So this one's going to be cut out. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup it. So there's your backer board. Let's make our backer board like a dark wood. Let's make our mom. Well, let's get this out of the way. See, this one, you can engrave it, or you could cut these letters out. And so on the mom, let's see if we can't just grab it and change the letters. I don't think this is going to work. Nope. You're going to have to smart fill just to see what it's going to look like. It's going to cut this out. You can see actually make sure you turn it into a hairline. Select them both and go hairline. And then let's smart fill this mom to see what it's going to look like. Let's make it a lighter wood. I don't like that orange, color of woods. Let's call it this one right here. And I'm just filling these in so you can see what it looks like. So these would be the cutout letters. And you could actually use this for a template to, let me just show you that. I'm going to group this together. I'm going to hit P on this one. I'm going to hit P on this one. So that's what it's going to look like. And then this way it's got a template. You could put both boards together. See, it's going to actually cut it out. And you could put both boards together and then glue in the letters and take the top board away. Then you're going to cut this out, and it's 15 by 5. And let's make it a different color using the Smart Fill tool. And I'm not promoting their product, even though it is pretty cool. Let's make it, trying to get something that's I haven't used. Well, let's just use a light yellow. And then I'm going to take away the outline. Got to select it all. Well, I don't have to do it since I smart filled it. I'm just going to hit P. That's what your project is going to look like. See, it's giving you the offset around the letters. Pretty cool. Try it, at least go to their site and look at I've got projects and different, here's that box. And also if you let's go to my video channel and let's just start a new video, go up to my channel. And if you go right here, there's 2 magnifying glasses on this page. One of them is searches all of YouTube. This one just searches my channel. And I'm just going to type in Cuttle. And look at all the, here's the ones I've done with Cuttle. You know, ornaments. This box, you'll never make money selling it, but for kids or grandkids, or it's a pretty neat box that you can put together. But anyway, give that a try, or at least look around their website. I'm not affiliated with them. I got it several years ago, and you know, a lot of people that are pretty good with Corel can draw this, but you couldn't draw it this fast, and you couldn't change the fonts that fast. You couldn't have the hearts in there that fast. Anyway, I hope that helped somebody someday, and thank you for watching.